Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Response Synchro Mesh Task Chair Assembly Guide. Included in the box are seat pad with mechanism attached, backrest, headrest, a pair of arms marked L and R, 5-star base, gas strut cover, 5 casters, 1 large Allen key, 1 smaller Allen key, headrest plate, 2 14mm bolts and washers, and 6 36mm bolts and washers, and 3 18mm bolts, which are pre-inserted into their respective holes to prevent them from getting lost during transit. Use the Allen keys provided to remove these. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Take the gas strut cover and place it over the gas strut like this. Now to attach the arms to the seat pad using the 36mm bolts and washers. Each arm is marked underneath with L or R to indicate if it goes on the right or the left of the chair. Line up the arms with the holes in the underside of the seat pad and secure using the 36mm bolts and washers. We recommend you use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Again, do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. Next, slide the backrest bracket into the mechanism like this and secure using the 3 18mm bolts. Do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. Next, with the help of another person, lift the chair onto the gas strut. You should feel it slot into the hole in the base of the chair. If you wish to fit the headrest, remove the cover plate from the rear of the chair and position the headrest into the cavity. Secure using the 2 14mm bolts and washers. Complete the assembly by attaching the headrest plate, concealing the bolts from view. Please keep the Allen keys to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it. Your new Response Synchro Mesh Task Chair is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.